One video capture with you.
It's not necessary to press from the beginning.
Okay.
So you open it until you feel a stop, and then no.
Okay.
When you
Click
feel the
toss,
stop,
click stops.
have a sign that it's in a line. This screw in a line with that one,
Okay.
and then you can.
Done.
You can also move it with the whole part. Press it, if it's possible. No? Yeah? Then?
Yeah.
Exactly. So then you can release your thumb. You can release it already. It's only a half twist, maybe a twist.
Six.
प्रेस करो ना जोर से.
Yeah. Take care. Here, this part came out automatically. Not on all caps it comes out. On some caps it's very tight inside, and you have to press it out by power, but it's not necessary to get it out. So if it stays inside, leave it inside. Except you want to clean it, then you press it out. But if there is only a necessary to clean here or to change the firing pin, then you keep this part inside. Backhand, yeah.
सर वो अलग है क्या? वो 4 है क्या? 3 है.
Sometimes you need really a hammer, mainly to get it out, sometimes also to get it in. Only take care that you don't destroy the firing pin.
वही आपको वो बता रहा था मैं लाइन पे कौन से रखना है.
Coming where it should be. Just have to find, finger on, gamble around, and then somewhere you get it.
Done?
No, it's not done. No,
Not it.
no, it's not done. No, it's not necessary again. You are over this point, but you have to close the gap.
टाइट करो.
Okay.
This is very, very important. Otherwise, you can have.
Now it's done.
Done.
Now it's done.